Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Corrina and I started this YouTube channel so I could vlog my journey to becoming a candle maker. So I started this channel in September of 2021. I'm sorry if you hear like the outside noises. My kids are awake, so I decided to step outside so I can make this video real quick. But I started this channel in September of 2021, and today is my launch day. It is Valentine's Day, February 14th of 2022, and I launched my Etsy shop today. I was supposed to launch a website and an Etsy shop, but some things fell through and I am only launching my Etsy shop today. My website will be launched here shortly. I'm not going to give an exact date yet, but shortly it will be launched. So basically, I wanted to get on here and make this video because I wanted to give my YouTube viewers a chance at a discount off of their orders. So if you use the code YouTube15, all capital, YOUTUBE15, you will get 15% off of your purchase of, I believe it's $30 or more. I'm not sure, but I will post somewhere right here so you guys will know what it is. I have a very busy day, so I had to make this video really short. I had other plans. I was going to open a bunch of packages that I got, but I guess I'm just going to make like TikToks or whatever I do. I don't know. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.